Up to 60% higher engagement comes from AI video content. Imagine two motorcycle repair shops side by side. The first shows dull, text-heavy pages and loses visitors instantly. The second hooks enthusiasts with sharp, AI-crafted videos. AI videos build trust fast. Videos reveal real repairs, show expert work, and keep visitors watching longer. This means higher search rankings and more clicks to book services. Here's a quick playbook you can follow today. Step 1. Plan engaging topics. Think oil change walkthroughs or common DIY mistakes your viewers care about. Next, use AI to script and storyboard your videos effortlessly. Then create and edit using templates with captions and voiceovers. Upload your videos to your website with keyword-rich descriptions, categories, and location tags for better reach. Now repurpose clips for Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok. Keep your keywords strong to boost SEO. Start small if time or budget is tight and be consistent weekly. Use tools like InVideo, VEO3, Animoto, or Pictory. Track your progress with KPIs, engagement rates, watch time, clicks to booking, website dwell time, and even walk-ins. Remember, customers decide who to trust in seconds. That first AI-powered impression can bring thousands in new repairs. Your best marketing tool is already at your fingertips. Don't just tell your story, show it, and watch your repair shop grow.